10 Ford Ranger Tonneau Cover 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ford Ranger Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. Ready to elevate your Ford Ranger's utility and style? Our hard tri-fold tonneau cover, custom engineered for 2019 to 2026 5-foot beds, delivers robust protection without compromise. We've selected high-strength fiberglass reinforced polymer and alloy frames, ensuring your cover isn't just tough, but built to last. Imagine peace of mind knowing your gear is safe from rain, snow, dust, and UV, plus resistant to impacts and scratches. Our innovative latching system and side Velcro straps keep everything secure, even at highway speeds, while the matte black finish reduces glare. Installation is surprisingly simple, no drilling required, making setup a breeze. And with our 3-year after-sales service, your satisfaction is guaranteed. It's the smart upgrade your Ranger deserves. Number 9. Amazon's Top Pick. Amazon's Top Pick. This soft tri-fold tonneau cover is custom designed for 2019 to 2026 Ford Ranger 5-foot beds, offering unmatched protection. Crafted from robust, double-layer, UV-tested PVC, it guarantees superior durability and tensile strength against elements for years. Installation is drill-free and incredibly straightforward. Pre-assembled rails and aluminum clamps ensure secure mounting in minutes. Drive with peace of mind. It's waterproof, snow, dust, and UV-resistant design, featuring double waterproof strips and a reliable latching system, keeps your cargo pristine. Protected from any journey's challenges with 24/7 service. Confirm your Ranger's year for the perfect fit. Number 8. 2024 Ford Ranger TruXedo Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. Elevate your 2024 Ford Ranger's utility and style with the TruXedo Low Pro Roll-Up Tonneau Cover, perfectly fitted for your 5-bed. As North America's #1 best-selling roll-up cover and proudly made in the USA, you're choosing proven quality. It's tear-resistant, leather-grained vinyl, supported by aircraft-grade aluminum bows, offers superior weather resistance, and handles heavy snow loads effortlessly. You'll love the signature low-profile design, sitting just 3/4 above your bed for a sleek, concealed look. This cover mounts inside the rails, leaving your stake pockets fully accessible for other accessories. An installation? A breeze. Clamp it on in under 30 minutes with absolutely no drilling required. Protect your gear and enhance your Ranger's functionality today. Number 7. Extang Trifecta 2.0 Soft Folding Tonneau for 2024 Ford Ranger. Elevate your 2024 Ford Ranger's utility with the Extang Trifecta 2.0 Soft Folding Tonneau. Engineered for simplicity and robust protection. Designed for your 5-foot bed and proudly made in the USA, this cover boasts the fastest installation you'll find. It arrives fully assembled, letting you secure it to your truck in mere minutes without a single tool or rail. Operation is just as effortless. 2 easy-lock clamps at the tailgate, fold twice, buckle at the cab, and go. Need your full bed for that new sofa? It removes in minutes. Crafted from a durable, leather-grained marine-grade fabric, it deflects water, resists fading, and maintains excellent tension. No highway flutter here. Protect your cargo with unmatched ease and confidence. Number 6. Retrax 9 Retractable Truck Bed Cover. Elevate your 2019 to 2023 Ford Ranger 61-inch bed with the Retrax 9 Retractable Truck Bed Cover, proudly made in the USA. Imagine effortless cargo management. Our discreet, quick-release handle secures your gear with a simple tailgate lock, giving you complete peace of mind. Crafted from durable aluminum, this cover doesn't just look sleek. It actively protects your valuables from weather and prying eyes. What's more, the innovative 11-inch deep canister ensures you enjoy full bed access from bulkhead to tailgate, maximizing your storage for any adventure. Retrax's commitment to quality means this premium solution is built to last and backed by a robust warranty, ensuring your investment is secure for years to come. Number 5. Ford Ranger Retractable Hard Tonneau and Adjustable Rack. Transform your 2019 to 2026 Ford Ranger 5-foot bed into an ultimate adventure rig with our retractable hard tonneau and adjustable rack system. Designed for those who demand more, it offers unparalleled security with double locks, safeguarding your valuables whether you're on the road or parked. Integrated dust and waterproof seals, supported by a smart drainage system, ensure your cargo stays pristine and dry, no matter the weather. The robust aluminum rack kit boasts a heavy-duty 500-pound capacity, ready for all your gear. Enjoy effortless bed access thanks to the retractable function, while its sleek, low-profile design provides UV protection, maintaining a sharp look. This system truly enhances your Ranger's capability, protection, and convenience. Number 4. BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Tonneau for Ranger. Ford Ranger owners, ready to redefine your truck's potential? The BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Tonneau is engineered for your 2019 to 2023 5 feet 1 inch bed, offering unparalleled security and versatility. Crafted with durable aluminum panels, the MX4 provides ultimate protection. Its innovative auto-latching system and tailgate lock integration ensure your cargo is completely secure. Beyond robust security, its sleek matte finish resists scratches, UV, and marks, elevating your Ranger's aesthetic. But here's the best part. Enjoy 100% bed access instantly. Fold it up for full hauling capacity without obstructing your third brake light, or operate it closed, effortlessly. Premium seals and hardware, along with its USA-made quality, guarantee this cover isn't just an accessory. It's an essential upgrade. Number 3. 2024 Plus Ford Ranger Folding Truck Bed Cover. Elevate your 2024 Plus Ford Ranger's utility with our premium folding truck bed cover. Designed specifically for your 4 feet 10 inches bed, this cover isn't just a stylish addition. It's robust protection. Its dent-resistant, fiberglass-reinforced polymer ensures long-term durability against the elements, shedding water effortlessly. Need to haul big gear? The innovative quad-fold design easily secures your items or folds completely away, keeping your third brake light visible. Thanks to the intuitive CYNC latching system, one-handed operation is a breeze, and installation is even simpler with its no-drill, quick-clamp assembly. Enjoy unparalleled convenience and peace of mind, even when your tailgate is closed. Protect your cargo, enhance your Ranger. Number 2. Ford Ranger Retractable Tonneau Cover. Upgrade your Ford Ranger 2019 to 2026 5-foot bed with the Cinetic Mr. Retractable Tonneau Cover, perfectly designed for a seamless fit. This isn't just a cover, it's total peace of mind for your valuable gear. Our double lock system on both sides ensures ultimate cargo security, protecting against theft, while integrated seals and proper drainage keep your truck bed completely dust and waterproof, no matter the weather. Enjoy effortless bed access thanks to its smooth retractable design, crafted from heavy-duty, powder-coated aluminum capable of supporting 500 pounds. Need more versatility? Integrated T-slot side rails easily accommodate additional racks and accessories. Elevate your Ranger's functionality, protection, and style today. Number 1. Ford Ranger Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover and Crossbars. Unlock your Ford Ranger's full potential with our Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover and Crossbars kit, precisely engineered for 2019 to 2026 5 beds. Safeguard your gear with unparalleled confidence thanks to double locks that secure both sides, offering maximum protection against theft. Integrated dust and waterproof seals, coupled with easy drainage, ensure your cargo remains perfectly clean and dry, no matter the weather. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Our robust aluminum crossbars kit, meticulously crafted for enhanced load capacity, transforms your truck, allowing you to confidently carry up to 500 pounds of bikes, kayaks, or any expedition essential. This heavy-duty system is built to last, providing versatility and peace of mind for every journey. So, that sums up my 10 Ford Ranger tonneau cover. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out.